This is the future of what every big Bentley flagship is going to look like. How awesome is this? This is the new Batur Coupe, and it previews what all the awesome big GT Bentleys of the future are going to look like. And look how aggressive it is. 1.65 million, 18 units only, all sold out. But what's important is this is going to be the design of every new Bentley in the future. Look at this grille. Massive, more upright, lovely orange details within here. The W12 hiding behind there with 740 brake horsepower, 1,000 Newton meters. New Bentley lights that are slimmer but still nice and large on each side. A really wide bonnet. Look at the width of the thing, the muscularity of it. Imagine a future GT Bentley electrically powered that looks like this. The side, gorgeous. This is my favorite bit. The bottom window line going into the bonnet looks so nice. The massive 22-inch wheels as well with P0s on them. The rear, probably the most different part versus any other normal Bentley. Totally different new lights, really slim, really concept car-like. But this is what you can expect from the future cars. We've got a Krapovich titanium exhaust system with 3D printed tips. Really different rear end. But I like the look of it. Can't wait to see what the future electric Bentleys look like.